About 3 years ago, we did a joint training with Prosper Fire Department, and it was so successful that last year we opened it up to area departments, and a lot of the area departments came. And then this year we cast the net a little bit further across the state of Texas. Across the state, you're learning new ideas from other people. You're not just doing it our way. You're learning how what we're doing might be able to be done better with somebody else having a different technique.
We found that when you get this many firefighters together in one place, there's so much knowledge that you can't help but pick up a tip or trick from somebody. We gain from that, they gain from that, and it only makes us better. Over the course of these 2 weeks of training, we've had 86 fire departments respond. We're averaging about 130 to 140 firefighters a day. So when I got the email from, I call him Captain Chris, we actually reached out and he called me and we had a conversation. I was floored that people are hungry for training. The 8 members from Acuna, Mexico were also deployed to the Guadalupe River over the 4th of July. And they helped the state of Texas out.
It's really important for our department because the things that we learn here, we're gonna bring it back to our town and teach another firefighters from our station. And it's gonna be awesome because there's new techniques that we're learning today. Frisco City for letting us come and train with these firefighters. These heroes are the best. So if you want to become the best, you have to train with the best. So that's why we're trying to be with these guys from Frisco.
You know, it's the state of Texas plus out here these 2 weeks. And it's really just neighbors getting together and talking and sharing thoughts and ideas.
We're probably going to be here next year.
It's been quite successful, and we'll keep doing it.